So this is what the database viewer looks like. This is the quality index that I just showed, the red, blue, green, and the red, yellow, green color for. And these are the property tabs for that material, very well laid out individually. Or you can see the processing curves for viscosity, specific volume, heat capacity, and thermal conductivity right there in front of you. The mechanical properties also laid down right here. And you can see it's very easy to search. If you have a keyword, you can search directly, or you can search by polymer type and supplier. And then based on this PP for Schulman, you can see like 25 results that pop out here. And then based on you can search for, you can basically scroll through each one of them, and their material card will show up here for their quality index and also their properties individually. Also here are the process conditions at different temperatures, like transition temperature, melt temperature, freeze time, and they are all connected here. So if you're looking at this temperature, you can see this bar here that is basically showing as to what the temperatures are on these and where do they fall in terms of what is the viscosity, what's the specific volume at that given temperature. Or if you look at, or if you keep walking through them, you can basically walk through all the temperatures, and I'll talk about that in a few slides here. Again, what's the criteria for selecting the material, the alternate materials? For filling, MFI is important. Density, melt temperature, mold temperature, these are important criteria. So you must have these, if at least these 3 or 4, if you're looking for the filling analysis results only. If you're looking for warpage, additionally, you want your density and CLTE as well. And if you're running for a full analysis, then the more material properties you have listed, the better results you will get.